12:07. We're gonna do a little bit of a boxing workout. Not boxing workout, we're just gonna do like some pads and stuff like that and just do a workout. And yeah, I don't know, should be fun. Did it yesterday, it was a lot of fun. So I'm just gonna document it this time a little bit. Yes, sir. So we got Ghost protein here, whey protein. This is the cereal milk flavor right there. All right. And we also got the milk chocolate flavor. I've had cereal milk before and this tastes so good. Like, it tastes like cereal milk. Like, you know, not like if you have Nesquik and then the milk after, that's like this. Like the milk chocolate's like that. But this is kind of like, I don't know, maybe like Cheerios, like Honey Nut Cheerios, and then afterwards, but better. Yeah, so this is the, what's 26 servings for this size. I think this is the only size they come in. I can't remember if they come in bigger sizes. 26 servings for that size. It's not bad, like, it's pretty decent size per 2 tubs. So both these together with shipping and the exchange rate, because they're from the States, came to a bill like 118 bucks, bill 18. A little bit pricey, but I mean, I actually really like this protein and it tastes good. So for me, like I mentioned in the past, I'm not really I don't really care about protein that much, but if I'm gonna buy protein, I want it to taste blessed. So Ghost, I highly recommend if you are willing to pay the difference in exchange rate. Yeah, it's worth it. So yeah, with tax, with everything, it's like 60 bucks 60 bucks Canadian a tub, which is about what you pay here for a decent protein anyways, if you go to like GNC or Popeyes or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do a taste test. That's what we'll do. So we're gonna do a little bit of a taste test now. Cereal milk. My brother already opened it up earlier. I think he already tried it, I'm assuming. So I'm just gonna give it a shot here. So we got the scoop. Let me show you guys. So that's the scoop. Just gonna do a half scoop here, maybe a little more. And we're just gonna mix it with some water. I usually do water. I don't like milk with my protein. Makes it too thick, but you can use milk if you like. I'm gonna do water though. Got a fork here. Okay, so cereal milk, I'm gonna try it out now with water. It's pretty blessed. Honestly, this would probably taste better with milk, but I think I need to mix it a little more. Yeah, that straight up tastes like cereal milk. I give this one like an 8.5 out of 10. Pretty good, pretty spot on. The cereal milk is definitely like a 10 out of 10, like in terms of how spot on it is. to cereal milk. Overall flavor 8.5. Packaging, it's pretty cool. Not your basic protein tubs that just say muscle everywhere. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I mean, the packaging, I probably give it like an 8 or a 9 out of 10 as well. It's pretty creative. There's like cartoons and stuff on the back, so it's cool. All right, so now we're gonna try the milk chocolate. So before, I didn't show you guys how it opens. So when you twist off the lid, right, obviously you have the seal. Take this off. So when you take off the seal, actually what's cool about Ghost that a lot of companies I think are starting to do, but the scoop is already like secured at the top. So once you pull the seal off, you don't have to go digging for the scoop and get your fingers all powdery. It's literally right there. So you just like take it out like that. All right, so we're gonna try a half scoop. This is the milk chocolate. All right, I'm gonna do it with water again. I don't want it too clumpy. All right, so like a half scoop in there, just in the glass. Honestly, I'm gonna try a little more. Okay, half scoop of the milk chocolate Ghost Whey protein with some water once again. Mix that up real quick. I think the one I ordered last time, like probably a year ago, was the milk chocolate, and I liked it a lot. So I'm assuming this will be pretty great too. Okay, taste test. Yeah, I think this would probably taste also better with milk, but with water it's pretty good too. It's kind of like the chocolate milk after Nesquik. Probably a full scoop would be better. Maybe a half scoop isn't really that great. Should have done a full scoop, but it's okay. It's still pretty good. So yeah, this flavor, in terms of accuracy towards like chocolate milk, like Nesquik's chocolate milk, I'd say it's like almost like an 8.5, 9. Design, the same thing. And just overall taste, I'd give this one a 9. So this is, I like this one better than the cereal milk. But we'll try like a whole scoop with milk, actual milk later. Mine landed like there. Yours landed like here.
It fell out of my hand.